rapidly changing world, where information is abundant and the environment can shift in the blink of an eye, the ability to navigate life with street smarts has become an essential skill for every man. While traditional education and academic knowledge are valuable, they often do not equip individuals with the practical skills necessary to thrive in everyday situations. Street smarts encompass a blend of intuition, common sense, and real-world experience that enables one to assess and adapt to their surroundings effectively. It's about being aware, making wise choices, and understanding the nuances of human behavior. Life is full of unpredictability, and the streets can be a metaphor for the complexities and challenges one faces daily. From navigating social dynamics to managing financial decisions, and even understanding the motivations of others, street smarts allow men to react to situations with confidence and insight. It is about having a keen awareness of one's environment and being able to read people, situations, and contexts with an astute eye. When you have street smarts, you develop a sense of intuition that can guide your decisions and help you avoid potential pitfalls. Moreover, street smarts foster adaptability. In life, plans often go awry, and the unexpected can derail even the best-laid strategies. Men with street smarts possess the ability to think on their feet and adapt to changing circumstances. For instance, consider a man who is lost in an unfamiliar city. Those with street smarts will not panic. Instead, they will assess their surroundings, read the local cues, and find a way to navigate their way out. This adaptability is crucial, not only in physical environments, but also in social settings and workplaces, where dynamics can shift unexpectedly. Being able to pivot and respond to changes with agility is a hallmark of a man who is street smart. Another critical aspect of street smarts is the understanding of social dynamics. Life is fundamentally about relationships, be it with friends, family, colleagues, or strangers. Men who have honed their street smarts can navigate these relationships more effectively. They understand the subtleties of body language, tone, and context, enabling them to gauge the feelings and intentions of others. This heightened emotional intelligence helps in building rapport, resolving conflicts, and fostering connections. For example, in a workplace setting, being able to read the room and understand when to speak up or when to listen can make a significant difference in professional relationships and career advancement. Additionally, street smarts are invaluable in risk management. Every decision we make involves some level of risk, and understanding how to evaluate and mitigate that risk is essential. A man who possesses street smarts knows how to weigh the pros and cons of a situation, consider potential consequences, and make informed choices. This skill is particularly important in financial matters, where impulsive decisions can lead to significant losses. Whether it's investing in stocks, making purchases, or managing debts, having a street smart approach can lead to more sustainable and responsible financial decisions. Moreover, possessing street smarts empowers men to face challenges head-on. The streets are often fraught with obstacles, whether they be social, economic, or personal. Men with street smarts are equipped to tackle these challenges rather than shy away from them. They understand that setbacks are part of life and view them as opportunities for growth. This mindset fosters resilience, a vital trait for overcoming adversity. When faced with difficulties, a street smart man will analyze the situation, draw from his experiences, and strategize his next steps. This proactive approach not only helps in overcoming obstacles, but also builds self-confidence and a sense of agency. In a world where technology increasingly mediates our interactions, the value of street smarts becomes even more pronounced. While online communication can facilitate connections, it often lacks the depth and nuance of face-to-face interactions. Men who cultivate street smarts are better equipped to engage meaningfully with others, as they can navigate both digital and real-world social landscapes. They can bridge the gap between the virtual and physical realms, ensuring they remain grounded and authentic in their interactions. Furthermore, street smarts enhance problem-solving abilities. Life will throw countless challenges your way, and those with sharp street smarts can approach problems creatively and resourcefully. They can think outside the box, identifying unconventional solutions that others may overlook. This problem-solving mindset is not only valuable in personal matters, but also in professional settings, where innovation and adaptability are crucial for success. A street-smart man can identify opportunities where others see obstacles, turning potential setbacks into stepping stones for advancement. The journey of cultivating street smarts is deeply personal and reflective. It involves learning from experiences, both successes and failures, and being open to growth. Men who embrace this journey develop a rich tapestry of insights that shapes their character and worldview. They learn to appreciate the complexities of life, fostering a sense of humility and gratitude. This reflective practice enhances their wisdom, allowing them to approach life's challenges with a broader perspective.